Hello, so we have arrived in UK on the 4th of September and we are staying until the 23rd. And we have rented a cute little Airbnb here in Badsea. Badsea is a village in Worcestershire County. And I'm going to show you the Airbnb compounds. It's the house, the Airbnb we're staying in, and this is the compound. It's a big field, and let's show you around. Here's a nice place to sit and chill and just watch the day go by. And we're just getting ready to leave, and I just figured I want to show you the area first, and in case you're interested. Let's see. Here's the kitchen. Here's my husband making me some cup noodles, and they have here kettle, toaster, 2 coffee makers. They provide croissant and breads. Yeah, so we did our grocery shopping the other day and got crazy with just buying. These are all the what do you call this? China that they provide, and also the utensils. They also have cereals, and then here is microwave. Here's the fridge with water dispenser, and they provide milk. I think we bought the orange juice. They have butter as well. This we got. They provide yogurt. This we got, multi-serves. We got this as well. This we got these marmalade and jam they provide. This Nutella I got. This is amazing. This is from the farm. It's really good. We got this, and they have a table for 2. Here, and look at the kitchen. Like the view from this kitchen is just really amazing. So there's also a patio area you could use, and obviously the whole field out there. And then as you go up to the 2nd floor, you will get to the room, and it's the double bed. Here's my bedside. That other side is Rob's, and again here the view is still amazing. They have radiators in case it gets too cold. Here's the view that we wake up to every day. They provide closets and drawers, and here he has full-length mirror. And then there's a 2nd room which we make into our office room. This 2nd monitor was from mom and dad. And again from the office, there's a beautiful view outside. I mean, you can see the same beautiful view. You have a mini TV here as well, and another set of drawers. They have books in there. You could check it out. We haven't checked it out yet. We've been very busy, but there's also a guest book that we will be signing before we leave. And here is the toilet. They have the fan and the hot water, and yeah, they provide shampoo, conditioner, soap, but we also got our own set. Another great view from the toilet, and they provide towels as well. So yeah, we are enjoying thoroughly our stay here. And in case you visit Patsy for any reason, we highly recommend it. Charles, the owner, is very accommodating, and he's just always in constant communication with us. So yeah, and plus with that view. Welcome to Patsy! Growing Christmas trees. Oh, I've never had a real Christmas tree at home. There are always the plastic ones in the Philippines. And these are real. Amazing. This is something new for me. It's so pretty. Wow. This is pretty cool. Oh! My kind is sharp. Let's see what else Charles got in his big garden. I wonder what these are. I don't know. What are these? Oh, they're blueberries. Wow. He's got blueberries in his garden. And what are these ones? Oh, they're the beans. So he gave us beans the other day, and he's got some tomatoes in the fridge. Oh, yeah. Wow, his tomatoes are really nice. And he's got, is that zucchini? Really nice. Here in his garden. He's got his shed over here. And he has a mini greenhouse here. Something flew inside my mouth. Wow. I wonder what he has in his greenhouse. Let's see. Let's take a peek. Oh, there are more tomatoes. Oh, they're tomatoes. His tomatoes are really nice. Ta-da! It's like a tree house, isn't it? Can I climb up? Can I climb up? Should I climb up? Okay, I will climb up. Okay, I will climb up. Okay, we're in the second floor. I think it's safe. It's ouch! It's my hair. My bun got caught. So we're on the second floor. Climbing up. Third floor. Okay, there's a lot of spiders and spider webs. So I wonder who they made it for. Okay. Ow! Fudge! Ow! Okay. Oh wow, look. So we're here and we could see the whole field. Amazing! His property is really so big. You could see all the Christmas trees. Oh no. Somebody's talking. Am I being scolded? I'm so scared. Sometimes I'm just so scared that I'm doing something wrong. Ooh, what are these? Fruit. And look at this. It has a binocular. This is nice. I could hear the drone, but I can't see where it is. Where? I don't know where it is. It's so loud. I don't know if he's trying to land. Is he gonna land? Is he gonna land? Okay, it wasn't trying to land. It was just taking a video of me. Anyway, let's go down now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. See you all next time and keep safe. Bye.